Okay, today I am here with Graham. Graham has just finished her old process. Now you got your new teeth. What do you think about your new teeth first?
I don't know where to start really. How good are they? They look good.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. It's been a while, but I've been so excited really to get back and get it done this time, and it went better than I thought. To be honest, I've been nervous, quite nervous, but it's been really good, really good. I'm really pleased with the outcome.
Today we're not gonna have an interview. It's not gonna be a question and answer video. We're just gonna have a chat with him. I just wanted to thank you first. Your kind manners or all your things. You were such a nice patient for me.
Oh, thank you.
You know, I am your personal medical consultant. I want you to talk about the process from the beginning till here. You know, in the beginning we have been in contact with you first. Then you came here, got your implantation. Wait for your healing time. In your second visit, you came here for your permanent thing. How was the process generally?
It's to be honest, it's been very good right from the start. I'm a little bit nervous anyway with dentists. Even back in the UK, I've been very nervous with dentists, and I did take a long time to choose. There's a lot of horror stories back in the UK about coming to Turkey to have things done, so I wanted to be sure, and I took quite a long time. You were great on the WhatsApp, and I know I asked many questions, but always you came back with information. We had video call at the clinic. You introduced me to all the staff. You sent me all the qualifications, and I'm a bit like that really. I need to check things out before I go. So. Yeah, I apologise for that.
No,
it's not that I'm not that I distrust. I just wanted to be sure.
If you ask, I'm always answer.
Yeah, there's a lot of big clinics out here, so isn't there?
If I am insisting and trying to talk about the clinic, this is it. It's not nice. But if you ask, I'm always explain everything.
It was nice that I was able to have the video call with the clinic. I've not even made any commitment, but there was still, a video showed me all around the clinic, which was great. And then when we got out on the first visit, again, I was so nervous, really worried. But everybody here just put my mind at rest, really. Right from the pickup at the airport, the guy that picks us up, and what a nice guy. What a nice guy. So yeah, everything, right from the pickup, looked after me all the way through. I think it's been really good. On the first visit was the one that really worried me, clearly, with the surgery and things like that.
Which is pretty normal.
But it wasn't that bad. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be, to be fair. So it wasn't that bad. It's been a long wait in the middle, isn't it? That's the worst part.
I know. People are coming here. Actually, they're really nervous about their first visits because they are going to have some surgeries. Oh, there is something really frightening for them, which is pretty normal. But as you can see, we are not treating our patient as a patient cold because we can understand that people, if a person knows that it's a patient,
yes,
then they would get nervous about
Yeah.
it. But in here, as you can see, our clinic, we are not treating the persons as patients. We are treating them as our guest, as our friend all the time, because the nervous thing is always makes you worried about everything.
Yes.
But if we treat you as our guest and as our friend, it always makes you assured.
And it's very much like that here. I've never seen a dental surgery anything like this. A pool. I mean, it's just. But everything about it, everyone's ever so friendly. On my first visit was the same. This visit's been the same. It's been great. Really enjoyed. Yeah, I'd even say I've enjoyed it really.
Our aim is that enjoying while you're having a nice treatment.
Yes.
Outside you can see that's a luxury villa. It's a comfortable one.
Yeah.
Yes, but you might think that what's going inside? Is it the dentist good? Is the materials nice? But we are keeping things separate. Here you're having comfort, you're having enjoy, but when you step into the room, kind manners, but nice qualifications, nice jobs all the time.
Everything, exactly. And everything was explained to me. I ask a lot of questions, I do. And I apologise for that, but I ask lots of questions.
It's your right to ask questions. It's our due to explain
and they've always explained everything to me. Always. Never a problem. Always explained. even when I wanted to look and feel the no problem, no problem. Nothing's been a problem. It's been really good, really good. I'm ever so pleased.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for your kind manners and
No.
honesty. It was always a pleasure to guest you here and say hi to our
Hello.
other patients from here. And what would you say them if they were choose to here? What would you
Well,
say
I'd
them?
say to them like, I'm very nervous. I like to check things out. I looked at 5 or 6 different clinics and I landed here. When I went back after my first visit, I went back to see my dentist in the UK and I showed him the work that had been done by your staff and he was really impressed. You know, and that to me is, well, that sort of seals it, doesn't it? So, you know, if you want to come out here, I would say, you know, there's a lot of talk about the big clinics. Big clinics are better. I don't think so, really. I think we're a bit smaller here, and I think it's a very nice personal service.
Exclusive and
Yeah, it's a very
personal, yeah.
personal service, which is for me is better. It's far better. I think I've been really well looked after, and the service has been fantastic. And I can't thank you enough.
We don't like people to come here. Yours is this, yeah, checked, go away. Yours is this, checked, go
Yeah,
away.
yeah.
No, as you can see, it's not a hospitalized area. Our motto is always this: no crowds, no order. You know, we
And
are
on
far
time,
from
always on time. If they say they'll pick me up at 6 o'clock, they pick me up at 6 o'clock. That's really good, because I'm a bit of a stickler for that, you know. But really good. Yeah, everything's been good.
Thank you so much for his kind manners and honest things. People might think that I'm making you talk like this, but
Yeah, she's paying me
you can
loads
be-
of money, like, yeah.
You can be sure that I'm not saying anything. I just asked his honest thoughts about here, and as you can see, he's happy
I'm
with his
genuinely
new feet.
impressed.
And yes, now we are waiting for our other patients to guest here as our patients, as our friends. You can always contact us if you need anything. You can always ask anything that confuses you. We are always here. Even if you don't get the treatment, not a problem for us. We're always here. Goodbye.
Bye.